Hi students, welcome to JSM Maths Academy. Now we are going to discuss about third problem of exercise 2.3. Let me explain the question. The difference between the two numbers is 8. If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be the 3 times of the smaller number. Then find the number. Okay. Here, what we need to find out? We need to find out two numbers, and what do they mention about the two numbers? Means they mention that the difference between the two numbers is 8. Difference between the two numbers is 8. And if 2 is added to the bigger number, if you add 2 to the bigger number, the result will be the 3 times of the smaller number. Okay. Suppose we need to find out the two numbers. In that two numbers, if I suppose one of a number is 5. If I suppose one of the number is 5. I am supposing that smaller number as 5. Okay, here how you are going to get a second number? Means as I mentioned that the difference between these two numbers is 8, means then if smaller number is 5, means then greater number would be 8 more than this. Clear beta? What is a 8 more than this 5? That is of 13. This becomes what? A bigger number. Clear beta? This becomes what? A bigger number. That means if you know the smaller number, then we can find out a bigger number. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to suppose this smaller number as a x. I'm going to suppose this smaller number as a x. So if I suppose a smaller number as a x, now greater number becomes 8 more than this x. That means x plus 8 it becomes. Clear but? So let me write the solution part. Let smaller number, let the smaller number be as a x. Then bigger number becomes what, Nana? Bigger number is x plus 8. Why? Because the difference between that two numbers is 8. In that smaller number is x, means second number. That means bigger number becomes what? X plus 8. Then afterwards you need to read this statement. See, Nana? If 2 is added to the bigger number, the result will be the 3 times the smaller than the, 3 times the smaller number. That means I'm adding 2 to this greater number or bigger number, that will be 3 times of the smaller number. Okay. So I'm adding 2 to the bigger number, the result will be 3 times of smaller number. Okay. So I'm adding 2 to the bigger number. What is the bigger number beta? X plus 8. As for our supposition, bigger number is what? X plus 8. And adding 2 to it. This will be the 3 times of the smaller number. Can I write this equation by using this statement? Can I write this equation? Now, if you take x plus 8 plus 2, that means x plus 10, which is equal to 3x. Now we need to find out the x value. So to that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to transport this positive x to other hand of equation, so that we get it as an 10 is equal to 3x minus x, which is of from this we can write 2x is equal to 10. If 2x is equal to 10, and transporting this coefficient 2 to other hand of equation, it becomes a divisor. That means x is equal to what? 10 by 2. Then you get x is equal to 5. That means smaller number we got as a 5. So from this we got x value as a 5, means what we suppose? We suppose a smaller number as x. So smaller number is equal to 5. Then what is the bigger number beta? Bigger number is equal to x plus 8, which is of 5 plus 8, that is of 13. That means the required two numbers are 5 and 13. This is how to solve this problem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like, share.